Welcome back to my channel! Today I am shooting and it's raining really hard outside, so I will dub this video. For today's video, I'm finally sharing with you a cookie recipe that has been really close to my heart. Because of this recipe, I was able to start my Bake to Golden journey. And it's none other than the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. With this cookie recipe, I was able to save up money that helped me join almost 2 educational tours. The other one was cancelled due to this pandemic. This is the most requested recipe, so without further ado, let's begin making this baby. To start off, we'll brown 3/4 cup or 150 grams of butter. I made a tutorial on how to brown your butter on my previous video. I'll link it below. Next, we'll add a pinch of salt. This cookie will be all about flavor, so we're going to use a cup of brown sugar, not light brown like the one I used in my oatmeal cookie recipe. We'll also add a half cup of white sugar. Mix until combined and there are no more lumps. Then we'll add an egg. Since this is about flavor, we'll add an extra special ingredient. No, it's not special. We'll just add an extra egg yolk to give it more flavor. Mix it up. And for our next step, in a cup, put 2 tablespoons of water and then dissolve 1 tablespoon of instant coffee. Then pour in the mixture. Add a teaspoon of vanilla, then mix it up. Did you see how much flavor we put in there? That is what makes this recipe the ultimate. Since this is the ultimate, we'll put in not 1, not 3, but 2 kinds of flour. 1 cup of bread flour, and 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour to give you that chewy experience. Sift in a teaspoon of baking soda. Mix them all together. Stop at this point because we'll add in our chopped dark chocolate and you would not want to overmix your dough. Once it's all incorporated, put it in a container and chill for more than 2 hours. But do not store the dough for more than 2 days. Trust me, you will not like it when all those flavors develop too much. After 5 hours, this is what it looks like. I have a chocolate chip here to top the cookie with. And that's it! This is ready to bake! I have my oven preheated 170 degrees Celsius and we're gonna bake it for 15 minutes, then add 3 minutes to toast the top. Finally, the cookie is done. But sorry to say, you cannot eat it while it's hot. You have to wait until it cools down. That is how I made my ultimate cookie recipe. I hope you try this at home and I promise you, you'll never ever regret not giving it a try. Too good to be true, but it's truly addicting. I hope you enjoy this cookie recipe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you and see you on my next video.